this Youth TechCamp, I actually learned the most is how to differentiate real and fake news. And it also gives me a whole new perspective of how the news industry works and how the news are being reported to the readers.
My name is Mia Patricia and I'm from SMK Permatang Pasir.
This program shares a lot of good knowledge, such as how we want to find out if the picture is fake or original, and they also teach us how we want to know if the online link is credible or not for us to find information and use them.
Thank you, bye-bye.
Hi, I'm Wilson Chan from Changi High School. During the Youth TechCamp, I've learned several ways to fact-check the information I receive. I'm now able to identify bias and misinformation by applying what I have learned during the Youth TechCamp. For instance, I will not simply convey any message before identifying their credibility. I truly appreciated with the opportunity given for this experience.
Youth TechCamp's great campaign
And what I've learned
For Youth TechCamp, I learned what is infography.
during the 3 days of Youth TechCamp,